Taming the tense, perfecting your present perfect continuous. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're delving into an exciting topic: present perfect continuous tense with irregular verbs. This topic may sound challenging, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you will be more comfortable with this tense and understand how to use it with various irregular verbs. Before we start our journey with irregular verbs, let's refresh our memories about the present perfect continuous tense. This tense describes an action that began in the past, continues in the present, and may continue into the future. For example, I have been reading a book means you started reading in the past, are still reading, and may continue to do so. Now let's look at irregular verbs. Unlike regular verbs, which usually end in -ed in their past forms, irregular verbs change in different ways. For instance, go becomes went, write turns into wrote, and see changes to saw. They may seem unpredictable, but with practice, you'll become familiar with them. The present perfect continuous tense with irregular verbs can be a bit tricky, but don't fret. It actually follows the same pattern as with regular verbs. You use have, has, plus, been, plus, verb ing. So, despite the irregularity in the past tense or past participle of these verbs, they follow a regular pattern in this tense. For example, the verb write becomes I have been writing. Go changes to you have been going, and see becomes she has been seeing. Let's look at more common examples. Eat, to, I have been eating pizza for 2 hours. Run, to, she has been running every morning. Sing, to, they have been singing all day. These examples show that, despite being irregular, these verbs can easily fit into the structure of the present perfect continuous tense. And that's it, folks. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how the present perfect continuous tense works with irregular verbs. The beauty of English is in its flexibility and dynamism. So, continue practicing these forms, and you'll master them in no time. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.